Everyone wants that trendy layered haircut, but the real problem is, even after showing your barber multiple photos, your hair never turns out the same. And the reason is simple. Without proper layering, your hair has no direction, no movement, and no flow. Most barbers don't actually understand real layering. Just look at these two photos. In the first one, the hair isn't layered, so it falls straight down the back, flat and lifeless. But in the second photo, notice how the hair flows backward, with shape, movement, and structure. That's the power of clean layering. It doesn't just change your hair, it completely changes your face and your style. So today, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process to get the perfect layered haircut every single time. Step 1. The awkward phase. The first step to growing long hair is the phase nobody talks about, the awkward phase. You have to grow your hair for 3 full months. No cutting, no trimming, no fixing the sides. And yes, this phase gets really awkward. Your hair won't listen to you. It'll stick out in random directions. One day it'll cover your forehead. The next day it'll puff up for no reason. Sleeping feels uncomfortable because your hair keeps falling on your face. And honestly, sometimes you'll feel like an old caveman, just waiting for evolution. But here's the truth. Every guy with long, attractive, flowy hair has gone through this phase. There is no shortcut. If you want clean, stylish long hair, you must survive these messy 3 months. And since you're planning to keep your hair long, you need to start proper hair care from day 1. Shampoo, conditioner, oiling, brushing, frizz control. All of this matters while your hair grows. Step 2. Finding the right barber. Growing your hair is easy. Finding a good barber is the real challenge. Here's the harsh truth. Most local barbers only know basic cuts, short fade on the sides, a little length on top, and that's it. But long hair needs layers, movement, and shape. Most normal barbers don't know how to cut layers properly, so avoid these barbers. Barbers who only do fades. Barbers who rush your haircut. Barbers who don't understand long hair structure. You need someone who cuts with scissors, not just clippers. Someone who understands texture, layers, and face shape. The problem is, finding a skilled barber is very hard, especially if you're growing long hair for the first time. So now, you only have 2 real options. Option 1. Go to a good professional salon. Experienced stylists know how to cut layers properly. They understand long hair and bring out its full potential. If you can afford it, this is the easiest option. Option 2. Train your barber. If you don't want to pay salon prices, you must guide your normal barber step by step. And don't worry, in the next step, I'll tell you exactly what to say. Step 3. Train your barber. This is how you guide your barber for the perfect long hairstyle. First, proper sectioning. Ask him to divide your hair into 4 sections: top, left side, right side, back. Every professional barber does this before a layered cut. Second, top shorter than the sides. For good flow and movement, your top hair should be slightly shorter and your sides should be longer to frame your face. Tell him, keep the front hair long enough to reach the tip of my nose. Keep the sides longer than the top, so they fall naturally. This avoids the triangle shape and creates smooth movement. Third, texture the back. Ask him to add light texture at the back, using scissors or an eraser. Texturing is very important. It removes bulk, adds movement, creates natural curves. Without texture, long hair looks flat and straight, and ruins the whole look. Tell him clearly, please add light texture at the back, so it flows naturally. This is exactly how barbers cut K-pop flow and modern layered hairstyles. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.